Take. Behold, a new king of kings.
The king of kings.
You may rise.
Has the hyena finally come to mock himself before the lions of Kaginatius? Igwe Kadike, I am not in for too much talk. Go back to your household and announce to them that you have changed your mind from contesting for the King of Kings. As you can see, I am in the robe of the King of Kings. You lie! Akwadika, you lie! There will be thunder in the sky very soon. A thunder will strike in the sky.
All I want, I must get. All I want, I must get.
Get out! Out! This can never be possible. No. Mbara! Mbara! Your Majesty, now, fetch my son. In his house, in the office, tell him that I want to see him here. Now! Out! Go! This can never happen. Over my dead body, will I allow this to happen?
Don't judge me by men looking at me, yeah. Come close to me and see what I'm passing through.
No, you not give me.
Give you what? You want to drink? You want to drink start?
Give me
what you're doing well. Naya? Naya?
Yeah, I'll give me.
Papa! What happened to him? Jesus! Oh, forget it. Papa, are you okay? Yes?
Hold on. Let me get a mat.
Oh, so you fell from him. Hey! You want to do, Kevin? Eh? Okay. Hey! Master. Oh, Papa. Sorry. Hey. What do you have that point here? Eh?
I'm sorry. Come on, put it down. Please bring him.
Hey! Oh, I like Romuvi back. Eh?
Why?
I told him he's too old. I told him to stop coughing back to me. He will not hear me. You are weak. You are old. You can't figure out doing this. Eh? Who will let you now? Eh?
Sorry, I hope you not break your waist.
Hey! sorry now.
Thank you very much now. Thank you. God bless you. Are you okay? Papa, how did this happen? How did it happen? Eh? Sorry.
Mama, please. Go and call me.
Mama, no. Call you who? If Naija, carry your orange. Come and go to market. In Nigeria, come and carry the orange and go and sell. Informer, go and call DK the medicine man.
Papa, he called for Nanya now. Why are you sending me? I'm not going anywhere.
I don't know about it. Informer, it's your quirky. My friend, go and call DK for me. Seven of you go and call DK.
Let me go and call him. I'll be faster.
Come and carry the orange. Go and sell. Informer! Okay, if he cannot, come and go and call DK for him.
When they reach somewhere that is fine, calling me. I love my hand to go.
Snap, don't worry.
Mochi, I laugh when I have to go for me. I'm dying. I'm dying now.
Don't worry now. Come and carry this thing and go and sell for me. If someone has gone, someone will gone.
I will run fast.
That's when I'm going to go. Just go.
Oh, this is not fair. It's not fair.
Is it? It's again. If I catch you there, come back and tell me that nonsense. Let Amado have killed you this afternoon. Idiot. Hey, Guinea. You want to stop cutting palm trees. Because this guy boy got rid of me.
Hey, my brother, sorry. Ndo. Hey, Okolu. Oh, my brother. I'm in pain, so. I'm dying, Okoro. I'm dying, Omale. Hey, Omale Lagwe. Don't say that, Omale Lagwe. Woman, what are you doing there? You are busy looking at your fingernails. Ewo. So you don't know that you're supposed to be with him and nurse him with hot water?
Biko. Nanyokoro.
Yes.
Biko, don't mention my name there. Inania, did your brother tell you that he asked me to press him with hot water and I refused? Oginekwan. Biko barukwa gogengwo.
Okay, clever. In this condition that he is he supposed to tell you what to do? No, answer. Liberated the woman. Yes. I sent Ifunaya, my daughter, to go and call DK. She stopped her. Instead, send her wayward daughter. This is 3 hours. I've not seen DK. I have suffered. Oh. Hey.
When did he? Nandidi, kwaje meri aja ho. Na chinche go mo when did he? Ni fe di okuge mesi joyi. Nso ado just delay.
Woman, what you are doing is not good. But no problem. Time will tell. Time shall tell you.
Okoro, my brother, don't worry. I will go and get a DK for you. Just delay. And you, I can only figure jelly. Don't worry. The Umuada will assemble for you. They must assemble for you. Okay, don't worry.
Because Zuzupu here. Ja? Na yo kafu. Ogini kwanu. See, I did not send you to go and fall from palm tree. I did not send you to go and fall from palm tree. After all, it's not only today that you started climbing palm tree. Warn your brother. Any day he talks to me like this again, I will tell him what he will never forget in a hurry. What rubbish. Biko, achokwa anumo. Barukwa ogwu gi nwo. Biko. Ịma kwa ebe sara ahụ, gakwa chiri akwa gị ebe ahụ. Kedu dị ihe ọ bụ?
I'm begging you. I don't want anything to happen to my father, please.
No, you don't have to do that.
Just let me go to the house and attend to him. I promise I'll pay the money. Yeah? I'll look for a way to pay it. Biko, please.
Nai, you don't have to worry yourself. Yeah. I will go to your house now and see your father.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you.
Just run along and say your goose. Yeah.
Okay.
Let me be on my way.
Okay, I will. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, Biko, make it fast, though. Oh,
I will.
Thank you. God bless you. Just hope nothing happens to my family.
Yumi, let's go back to your house.
But we're just coming out from my house.
Let's go back.
To do what?
I want more of you.
More of me? But you had more of me. You had enough of me already.
No, I did not.
But I thought your mother sent you an errand. Won't you rush to where she sent you to?
Baby, now, can you stop this? The errand can wait. It's not that important.
Are you serious?
Yes, this one is important.
Ivana! Yeah, look.
Are you scared? Be a man and stand here.
I thought they sent you a message to go and call DK, the medicine man, for your father, who is sick. And you are here fucking fool yourself with this easy data.
No, I will not take that from you. I will not take that from you.
Hey, shut up, your mouth.
Uncle, don't stop insulting my boyfriend now.
Oh, now you are now okay.
Can't you just pass? Old men like you, they will see something, they will pass like they will. Oh, you will stand and talk.
Not old man like me, my own very self. I say my apple okay.
Baby, let's go.
Go get it. Come here. If you dare make 1 inch here, you move 1 inch here, I chance I've chanced you.
Why are you removing your hand? Are you scared? You won't do me very well.
In my presence.
Uncle, please go.
The daughter of my brother. I will show you the difference between 6 and a half a dozen.
Uncle, I'm in a good mood today. Oh.
Yes.
Go. I'm in a good mood today. In fact, baby, please, let's go. I don't want anything to spoil my mood. Let's go.
Let's take this way, John. Open the red.
Come and stop us.
Come on, go again. Look at them. There's the same father. Your father is sick there. And you are no fear. Don't worry. I will go back and tell them what I saw. No fear.
Tell my father I'm very busy and I will not be able to come to the palace.
He sounded so serious, my prince.
My
prince.
I am a very busy person. I would not leave my patients and drive to the palace to hear my father complain about how I haven't gotten married and how I am denying him from getting the title of Kings of Kings. I would not do that. Tell him I'm very busy and that's final.
Yes, my prince.
Can I say something? Go to the lady who sells oranges. Get some oranges from her. I want Isioma to make orange juice for me.
As you wish, my prince.
But there is money in the drawer close to my bed. You can find money there.
My prince, you are indirectly shutting me up. You have to marry. Whether you want me to talk or not, you have to pick a wife. Look, that title will be a huge... My prince. My prince.
Youths of Udemba and Akoma Kingdom, I greet you all.
We greet you too.
I know we all are angry. Okechukwu, you're the youth leader of your community. Just like I'm the youth leader of my own kingdom. I want to ask you, are you happy to hear or receive the news of a bitter disintegration from our kingdom?
No, not at all. Not at all.
Good. We are the youth presidents of our communities, presidents and vice presidents of our community, and we shall take it to the table of our Igwes.
Yes. Yes. You are right.
Good.
Yes, you are right. Very right, my brother. Our people say when the king is misbehaving, the people will put on a porous basket and speak out his evil. So, we must spit out the evil seed they want us to swallow. We must not swallow that seed at all. Good. We will never swallow it.
Ha! My able leader, you heard him. We are not going to allow them push us around. We are brothers. We are what? Brothers. We cannot accept to fight each other. We cannot fight ourselves. Yeah? We are the tomorrow. We are the future. So we shall go against every of their evil plans. We shall go against their decision. We are going to go against every of their evil plans, evil agenda. Every evil plan that they have laid down in their chambers, so long it matters in our coexistence. Look, we are the youths, the future, the tomorrow.
What is the meaning of this nonsense? Do I know you from anywhere? Are you stupid?
Be careful, my head not correct. My principal's with you.
Are you stupid to hold my hand? Look at this dirty thing. And you fools! You're here watching this idiot, this good for nothing maid lay her hands on me. I'm sorry, my princess. We don't like violence. I see. Consider your stay in the palace terminated because I, Princess Flora, will sack you two, idiot, bunch of fools, and you, Chizoba. Stay away from my man, Izuchukwu, else you will not like the outcome. Did you hear me? Fall back to your leash. I can see that you need a pep talk. And your medicine as well, because it's obvious you are insane. Oh, wait a minute. Someone should get a chain and chain this mad dog. Akuna, get me out of here. I don't blame you. You idiot! You shall see! You shall see! And you too, stay and do something. Fools! Open the door!
Ugonna. You and your sister must be prepared to bury me if I don't see you in this palace tonight.
Father, please stop doing this, okay? No, you are not going to blackmail me emotionally. Besides, I am very, very busy now. I just delivered 2 pregnant women of their babies and I need 2 other women are waiting for me.
That's all I want to tell you.
Father. Dad? Dad?
This man is very, very stubborn.
Dad ain't going anywhere. I will marry Princess Chizoba and that is it. I made my point.
My son, don't say that. Don't say that. We are now at war with that rigid king. And you can't be getting married to the daughter of your father's greatest enemy.
No. That narrative has changed. I make my own choice. This is the 21st century, ma'am. You don't tell me who to get married to. I'm above 18. Yes, I'm an adult mom. You can't tell me who to marry and who not to marry. That's my wife to be. Not yours. No, Dad's.
I have decided and that is final.
I love Princess Chizoba. I need her, I want her, and I will definitely get married to her, no matter what. No matter what.
You're only just a ranting young man. I'll marry her for you. And if you maltreat her, I'll kill you.
My lord.
Quiet. Don't dare pretend to me here. You're the one poisoning his mind. How can a grown man like this, wanting to marry the daughter of my greatest enemy?
Enough, Dad. I've had it up here. And I've taken a lot because I'm trying to be responsible and try to act like a good son that I am to you. But you are taking over. You're trying to be autocratic. You're trying to control my life, who I get married to, where I go to, when I come back at my age. I love her. I love the dad. I love the family because I would not be caught in your cobweb of your bitterness with Prince, what's this called? King, whatever. I love Princess Chizoba. And I'm going to say this today. I will say it tomorrow and I will say it forever. And nothing is going to stop that day.
I'll marry Flora for you. No more arguments.
Then Mom, congratulations. You've got another wife coming your way. He is getting a second wife.
My friend, stop that.
Excuse me, Mom. You were here, you weren't saying anything more. I wasn't expecting that from you anyways.
You smelling idiot of a maid. Watch that smelling idiot, that pig from Udemba Kingdom, lay her filthy hands on me. And you, stupid fools, were mopping like morons that you are. Have you forgotten so soon that I, Princess Flora, I will soon become the queen of this great kingdom? Your Majesty.
What's going on here?
My queen.
Oh, you shut up! Shut your mouth. How dare you speak? Can you imagine these stupid, dirty pigs were busy mopping at a maiden from Udemba Kingdom, lay her filthy hands on me. She even slapped me. Oh, shut up! Shut the fuck up. You wanna speak? My queen, can you imagine?
I'll handle it. You girls can leave me.
My queen?
Thank you, my
be very honest with you at this moment. My son is in love with the princess of Udemba Kingdom. Yes. And I would advise you stop wasting your time here. The red flag is very obvious, I guess. I would advise you go back to that young man who is madly in love with you and begging you. And stop wasting your time on someone that doesn't even notice your presence in the palace. And I hope you are aware that a mother would always support whatever makes her child happy. Stop wasting your time here.
My queen, I am sorry to disappoint you, but your speech will never make me change my mind.
Dad, please wake up. We need to talk. Dad, please. Dad. Dad, please wake up. Dad. 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 Dad, please wake up. Dad. 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 Dad, wake up. Dad, wake up. I don't know, he's not responding to me. He's not responding to me. Dad. Dad.
Your Majesty.
Daddy, please wake up, Daddy, please. Daddy, please wake up, please. Ah, Jesus, Daddy, please. Daddy, please. Daddy. Where's my phone? Please go and get my phone, please.
Okay.
Oh. My prince.
What is it?
It's your sister. She's weeping. You are not taking her cause.
Hello to you. What? Father? Okay, I'm coming. Just hold on, I'm coming right away.
What happened?
His Majesty.
What happened to His Majesty now?
He took a poison.
What?
His Majesty took a poison. What is he thinking?
It's okay, the prince is handling that situation.
But I'm not hearing any sound. I am even pressed.
We should all calm down. We shouldn't be worried about it. Eh? We have an intelligent medical doctor as a prince. He's attending to his father. Eh? So let's stop panicking, please. Let's not panic about it.
Ozurumbatike. How can you do? How can you go like this? Ekwedike will laugh at us. Ekwedike will laugh at us. You better don't do this. So better don't go like this, please. You'll be fine. I hope so.
Very confident. You'll be fine.
All right.
Is he going to be okay? Yeah? He's going to be fine, right? Yeah? Please, I don't want anything to happen to my father. Please, Father.
Mara, please take the princess to her chambers, okay?
Father, you don't want anything to happen to my father. Please, Father, please.
He's under my care right now, and I'll do everything I can. Okay?
It's okay.
It's fine.
It's fine. Nothing must happen to him. Nothing must happen to him.
Please see that she's settled in her chambers, alright? Okay.
Father, please, nothing must happen to him. Okay. Baby!
What happened?
It's my father. He took poison.
So where is his majesty go?
In his room. Nobody's attending to him. I don't want him to die, honestly.
No, he's gonna be fine, okay? Prince of Akoma Kingdom that came back from the state.
Yes, he is. And what in the name of the gods is he doing here in the palace by this time of the night?
This is not our problem. Just forget them, please.
I didn't know you would come, honestly.
I was really very worried and I had to come because I just felt like I didn't have to come. I had to lie to my parents that I have to be somewhere. Okay, that's fine, alright? Okay, so sorry about it.
He's not taking my calls. Woman, where is your son?
But my king, you saw him when he was leaving the palace.
He told the guards that he was going to get some wine. It's past midnight and yet he's not here.
My lord, he's not taking my calls either. And I'm worried too.
Shut up. You know what he's doing. You know everything. You know it. And you are the one championing him.
My lord, please, let's keep trying his contact. You know, anything can happen.
Woman, shut up! You know where he has gone to. He's going to see the daughter of that nitwit king. That useless king. It's all right. I certainly know what to do.
Son, start coming home immediately. Immediately. Your father is suspecting. And don't forget the wine. Okay? Don't forget the wine.
Who was that? Who were you speaking with?
My king, what was all this night? What was all this? I was speaking with my friend that stays in Dubai.
Oh, you now have a son in Dubai. You didn't tell me.
Son? I don't understand. What's all this? Can't someone have a moment of rest in this house?
was born as a freeborn, but now I'm living like a slave in my father's house. Chimo, I was born as a freeborn, but now I'm living like a slave in my father's house. Chimo, don't judge me by men looking at me. Yeah. Come close to me and see what I'm passing through. Not just because I smile, all is not well for me.
Wadi kesije Wamuo Wamuna chimo Ninachi ninakwa Anamakwa
Hi Dad, where are you coming from?
I don't understand, you know, if you're the one.
You cannot outsmart your father. Wine or no wine. Let this be the last time you leave this palace without your guard. And by the way, I didn't hear the sound of your car. Talk to your son. Talk to your son.
My king, I know exactly where he's coming from. These people, no. These people are joking with me. They are joking with me. They don't know the stuff I'm made of. Princess Flora, I will show them. They will see. Rubbish. What are you staring at? Stupid things. Look at them. Fools.
Papa, I'm back. Good afternoon. You don't believe I sold all my oranges today. Before I could even say, Piam, they were buying my oranges. If you see the way they were rushing it, they were... Papa? Papa? Papa, it's from Nanya. I'm the one talking to you. I'm telling you that they brought all my oranges from the market today. Papa? Papa? Papa, don't do this one. I don't like it. Oh. I don't like it. Papa? Papa? Papa, stop now. Stop. Papa! Papa! Mama! Mama! Mama, please go!
know what is happening though. Because Papa, please, Papa, answer me now. Papa, it's from Nanya. It's from Nanya. I'm just coming from the market. What is it? I don't know. Papa, Nanya, what have you done to my husband? I did not do anything to him. I just walked into the compound and I saw him like this. Papa, Nine! He's not breathing. He's breathing. Hey! Mama! Okafor! I did not do anything. Papa, answer me now. Answer me. Papa! Hey! Okafor, look at me! Hey! Chima! Hey! Chineke! Whether you wake up now?
Okafor! I never knew that this will lead to death, oh, my only brother. Okafor, why?
Why would you do this to yourself? Why, Father? You ingested all of this? Why? How did you even get this in the first place?
I bought it myself. We cannot have a son who disobeys his father.
Father, I did not disobey you. I only asked you for more time. I am saddled with a lot of responsibilities right now. I'm thinking about a lot of things.
Son.
Father?
I had a terrible dream. In my dream, Equidix, in obedience to his father, got married. And his father was crowned the King of Kings. I cannot bow down to Equidix.
Igwe Ozurumba. You want me to get married, right?
I know why you have chosen to remain unmarried. One thing I want you to know is that
Clara? James.
Babe, it's not you. I'm sorry. I don't.
James. James, how could you do this to me?
No, listen, it's not what you think. Yes. It's not what you think at all. Please, I can explain. I can explain, babe. Listen to me.
You're my friend.
Oh my God.
How can you possibly do this to me? James.
Oh my God. I can explain. It's not what you think.
Clara, is this how you treat me?
Oh God, I'm feeling. It's not what you think. It's not what you think at all. It's not what you think. I can explain. Please let me explain, babe. Listen to me. Let me explain. I pray.
Gosh, you broke my heart. Seriously.
You can explain.
Oh my God. I'm finished.
It's not what you think. Yeah, it's not what you think. Oh.
You told him to stop what? You told me he traveled.
God, I lost a friend.
Oh shit. What do I call this now?
I am a son of a king. Not just son of a king. The first son of a powerful king.
I am first a doctor before a prince. So if you're going to discuss anything with me, always have it at the back of your mind that I would always come first as a doctor.
Okay. I know. I want you to know that you are son of a king, like I said, and you will take over from your father some days. So my prince, please, you need to be showing your face so that your people will not take you for granted.
I understand. I wish I could bring myself to love a woman again. I just can't. Like, I'm just tired of women. It's a serious issue, but I wish I could honestly, get through that stage at this point in time. No one seems to understand.
Prince, if you do not want to lose your father, His Royal Majesty, you should know what to do at this point of time.
I know what to do.
Okay.
I have it all planned out. I know what to do. Well, please, can we just drive in silence? I would like to rest my head and take a little nap. Okay? Okay.
Don't judge me by men looking at me. Yeah. Come close to me and see what I'm passing through. Not just because I smile, all is not well for me. If you want I am in.
We have not prayed. Bless us, O Lord, and this your gift which we are about to receive from your bounty through Christ our Lord. Amen.
Are you a reverend sister? Yeah?
Papa, I wanted to be.
Yes. Yeah? Who cooked this stew?
I did, Papa.
I know. I
called her to come and join me. She said she doesn't want anything to stain her fingers. She doesn't want anything to touch her. So I cooked it alone. And now you are enjoying it. It's nice. Okay, Papa. Is this big meat I want to eat?
You will not one.
I should eat it?
Yes. I don't know it yet.
But then which one will you give me? Just which one will they give you? There are two meats here now. It's the big meat or I'm not eating. Hey!
Huh?
Papa Biko.
In those days, what children normally do is that they will just eat food and go. But your time now, you'll be talking about meat. Eh? Last born is only when we are eating.
Don't stress yourself.
Okay.
Give me the meat, let me eat.
Take your own now.
Mama Peter.
Let me kill her.
Kill her.
Yes.
Kill who?
Ekwensu.
Yeah, Ekwensu. Let me give you the last warning. When next I will see you touch this girl, you will not like me. Akwange.
Nai. Kwanyelo wegu. Muma. Kwanyelo wegu.
Eto zama. Oh no, never. This woman will not kill you.
I can't move my eyes.
Sorry.
I am in pain. I am in deep sorrow. I have no one to run to. My God, Regirigo. My mama, my papa left me all alone in this wicked world. I can't tell about fufu. I must get what I want. I must get nobody wants to agree. Go before. Nobody wants to step down for the other. Adequate zombie. Adequate desperate enough for one. Can't you see the brutalness? Adequate zombie. Adequate desperate enough for one. Can't you see his face? Zombie. Adequate zombie. Adequate desperate enough for one. Can't you see he's serious? Adequate zombie. He's serious. Adequate desperate enough for one.
So, our king took poison to kill himself. Yeah, actually committed suicide. He wants to commit suicide. Ha! Oh.
Yes. He's imposing marriage on our prince in order to take over completely the title.
Hey, wait.
Mama, let me give you the shocking news of your life. Mama, this Igwe that banned us from coexisting, do you know that the prince of Akwoma kingdom and his daughter, the princess, are madly in love with each other?
Oh,
okay, Imaronka.
Hey, what? No, is it too?
Oh, if we go, Papa, Okodogiru now. You will not say anything. About it. Okodogiru now.
No, is it too?
Have you seen how wicked and selfish they are? Very, very selfish people.
Hey.
Okay, they want us to continue fighting and and be killing ourselves while their children are getting married? Who does that? Is it not wickedness? Is that not wickedness?
No,
Tell me, Mama.
No wickedness, no wickedness. In the high places, no wickedness.
Papa, with all due respect, and I am begging you in the name of Amadio, take this letter to the Igwe. Makosu. I piala awo, I apialo mbara. I piali Igwe ba awo, I apialo ngwobo no mbala. I don't care at this point. I don't care anymore. Papa, take the letter to the Igwe before things get out of hands. Biko.
Look, you can't force me, my friend.
I am not forcing you. Yes, I'm only telling you, as the youth leader of this community, I am talking to you as the Onowu of this community, and my father, Makosu Osukwa. I know what the youths can do. I know what they are capable of. What will be the ma?
The Igwe is sick. Allow him to recover.
You see what I'm saying? The Igwe is sick. Allow him to recover. Ani Uchiare.
But he's sick now. Oh, do you know? Poison. He's sick.
Mama, go and mark it somewhere. Go and mark it somewhere. That Papa is fully in support of whatever is going on in this kingdom. Your husband, did you know? Papa go no because I am not understanding. I don't know what school.
I am not in support of anything. And I'm not doing it because of you. Nonsense.
No, calm down. It hasn't got to this now. No, we are not here to exchange words. No. But now, what your son is saying, what Okena is saying is true too. You need to go and meet this Igwe. Go and meet him so that you will talk Igwe and know kind of talk, discussion. Make him understand. We should issue out things. Just sort out things amicably. Because Umaka,
go ahead and
these children are very, very
go ahead and call me whatever you want to call me.
Annoyed though. They can do undo. These children, these youth are boiling. The youths are boiling.
I am trying my best. I am trying my best. You all know how I will react to issues. He's a hot-tempered man, for God's sake.
Hot-tempered man. When it goes to El Basalom now, is it my business? Yeah? Also, no one will okay. It's none of my business. How
dare you go to that kingdom? How dare you go looking for that princess when you have a queen to be under my roof? You think I will not find out?
My lord!
Don't my lord me!
My lord!
Don't my lord me, my friend!
You slapped me, Dad, because I decide to take my decisions. I'm matured enough, Dad. Is that why you called me back to Nigeria? To get me one lousy girl or something? Your slap is not going to change anything. I promise you that it's not going to change anything. Okay.
Igwe!
Come back here!
Igwe! Can you, for the love of God, leave my son alone? Please, leave him alone!
No, nonsense! Come back here!
Leave him alone!
Here. You spoiled my son for me. He no longer listens to me. He no longer obeys me. Izuchukwu, listen to me. I ban you from leaving this palace until further notice. Go nowhere.
Mom, I don't understand what all this madness is all about. Because Dad knows how long I've known Chizoba. He knows everything. So what's the point? What's all this for?
It's a matter of hate and betrayal Ego's Roomba planted in your father a very long time ago. When he went behind to collect a multi-million naira project your father labored so hard to get. So I wouldn't blame him for hating the man and his household this much.
How does that concern? How does that affect me? How's that my fucking problem? That's not my fucking problem, Mom. You can't slap an adult like me, Mom. Why would he slap me for the sake of one floor or whatever? I'm not gonna get married to that girl no matter what. No matter, I would never do that. I would rather remain single rather than... This is madness, Mom.
As for Flora, I've told her to leave this palace. I've told her to go. I've told her to leave here and stop parading herself in this palace as a queen or princess. I don't know the one she calls herself. But I just understood your father is the one building up her morale. But not to worry. We'll see to it. We'll see the end of it.
Okay, Mom, it's okay. I just need to just have a rest and think.
It's okay.
Okay. Thank you, Mom.
Thank you for coming into my life. You came in at the right time, just when I needed you the most.
I'm so glad that you're my Prince Charming. You're so cute.
I'm taking you to go see my father immediately, like...
Are you serious?
Yes, I need to let him know that that long search for a virtuous, beautiful woman is over. I found her in you.
I can't wait.
I know, right?
Why not now?
Oh, calm down. Just calm down, okay? One step at a time.
Okay. Okay. I'm calm. Well, I just can't wait to be your woman. I mean, your queen.
My queen.
What?
That means you know I'm a prince? How did you find out? Because I know I hardly revealed that identity. So what did I say to give myself out?
Well, when a woman is in love, she will do anything and everything to find out about her man. You are the only son and the crown prince of a great and famous king. Come on. Now let's just leave it that way, okay? I'm just happy you don't let it get into your head.
Interesting. Just like you said, I never let anything get into my head. The only thing I let get into my head is my medical practice, and of course you. I love you very much, Ella. I love you from the depth of my heart.
And I love you too.
Did you see that?
Yes.
Ah.
That guy is crazy.
This guy is crazy.
My prince.
Yeah, Barry.
A man is outside the gate. He said he wants to see you.
A man?
Yes, sir. He's with 2 children.
Okay. Tell Ebuka to let him in.
Alright, sir. Thank you.
This movie is quite interesting.
Yeah, it's very interesting. And look at you. When I was choosing it, you were just grumbling.
I didn't know.
See how you're enjoying it now.
I didn't know.
So, this is where you are. You shameless mother. You left your family. You left your kids at home. Just to meet with your Instagram lover.
Excuse me, sir. What are you talking about?
Gentlemen, I know you are ignorant of this. You don't know this woman. This prostitute.
What's going on here?
Tell him.
Sorry.
Oh, yes.
Sir.
You shameless prostitute. Because I did not buy you the car your friend's husband bought her. That's the reason you ran from the house and left your family.
Ella, is he saying the truth?
She's our mother and he's our father. Sir, how could you have taken our mother away from us?
It's okay. Junior, let's leave. We have seen her.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Ella.
I wanted to tell you.
You wanted to tell me?
Yes, I tried. I wanted to tell you.
Are you okay? Are you sick in the head or something?
I'm not married.
So you are a married woman? You've been lying to me all this while.
I'm sorry.
Get out of my house now.
No.
Know what? If you come close to me, I will slap you into the underworld. Get out now. Please, I don't want to do something I will regret. Get out of this house. Ebuka! Ebuka! My prince! Come here. My prince, take this woman out of this house. Now. Please don't let me. Move! Move! Hey, come on! Hey! Move! Move! Come on, move, my friend. I must please my father or I'll lose him. But I'm not really good at this. I mean, it's been hell for me with women. I can't seem to love any woman around me now in my life. Not after what I went through. No, I can't. I think it's better I go for a contract marriage or relationship. Something of that sort. A contract would do. I just need to satisfy this man and get him off my neck. But how am I supposed to do this now? Yes, a contract. And I'm telling you this because I want you to keep it a secret. Alright? If anybody hears about this, I will kill you when you're fast asleep.
Wait. What if your father or your sister finds out?
Why would they find out about it? The only way they will find out about it is if you tell them. And no other ear needs to hear about this. And if any other ear hears about this, then it means it came from you.
My brother, my prince and doctor, how long do you think this contract marriage is going to hold?
The bone of contention here is to satisfy my father because that is what he wants. He wants to be the king of kings of the 7th kingdom. I will help him actualize that dream. Okay? All I just need to do is get married so he can actualize that dream. Once that dream is done and completed, I will just dispose the woman and live my life the way I want it. Because I cannot imagine myself loving a woman, me, Prince, Maxwell, Ugonna, Ozurumba, loving a woman. How the hell possible?
So what do you want me to do now?
Very good question. I want you to find me a woman, a very reasonable woman, that will follow me and carry out this plan.
Okay. In that case, I'm going to look for a beautiful high-class babe that will match your personality.
God forbid you bring a high-class woman to this house. I don't want a high-class woman. What we need for this plan is a naive girl who does not know anything, somebody I can deceive. Understand this thing. If you bring a high-class woman into this now, before you know, she will take advantage of it. And she might tell everybody and make this thing open. See how they walk.
Man, my brother, where do you think I will get such a woman from?
That is why I'm telling you this. So that you can go and look for the woman. That is your job. Go and look for that woman. Eh? Do it. I don't care how you do it, but just do it.
No life woman. No life woman. From which village one?
Father, why? Why do you want to take your life? Why? Just because of a title. A title. You want to tell me that we cherish this title over my brother and I?
There is no gainsaying I love my children. But the title, there is nothing that will ever stop me from taking it. Not even the devil.
Come on, Father. Have a rethink. Yes, have a rethink over this whole thing. Please.
Chizoba,
Father.
this is going to be the last time I ever warn you against this boy, this son of a bitch. If I see him close to you another day, I will not only skin him alive, I will burn him to ashes.
Father! He is my choice. I beg of you. I thought you love me and you want my happiness. But I ask you again, Father, to have a rethink. I know you cherish this title of King of Kings over your own life, but do have a rethink. I don't want to lose you. Please, my Father, I beg of you. Please.
Chizoba.
Father.
This is a dream I must fulfill before I join my ancestors. I need a breathing space. I said I need a breathing space.
Sorry, Father. Sorry.
Majesty, you sent for me.
Mbara.
Your Majesty.
I want you to keep a dozy on my son. Henceforth, monitor his moves. I don't trust him.
Okay, Your Majesty.
He is a replica of the king. For the first time, I want you to be careful. Do not say that I do not warn you. You must be careful to monitor him and give me a report.
Yes, Your Majesty. Okay.
Your Majesty, we are here regarding the letter the youth wrote concerning us and other community.
No, I don't want to be distracted by any other thing. What matters to me right now is becoming the King of Kings. Any other thing is meaningless to me.
But Your Majesty, the youths are murmuring. We need to attend to them, otherwise they will take the laws into their hands.
We have a strong mission. His Majesty has said it all, and that is final. Let's not be distracted, please.
This meeting is over. You may go home.
Hi, babe. How you doing?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, oh really? Yeah, I'm glad he's doing very well now. I'm very, very happy to hear that. Anyways, I'm doing everything possible. I'm trying to champion kind of revolt against that decree. So, if that decree is actually fought against, what about you do your own side? And we'll see how it goes. Like continuously. Okay. Oh no, I trust you. You don't know. Come on, seriously, no, I trust you. Seriously. Okay, that's a good idea. What time? Okay, I guess that should be outside the kingdom anyways. No, that's a bit too early, babe. Okay, better, that's better. Okay, alright. I'll see you then, okay? Good night, kiss, and I love you. No, I didn't hear you properly. Say it again. I love you too. Alright, good night. Sweet dreams. What the fuck are you doing in my room? What are you doing here? Are you okay? Are you mad?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Baby.
Can you stop? Princess, you are mad.
How am I mad?
You are really insane. Really, like seriously. You stepped into my room this night. Do you know what the time is? Can you stop? I'm talking and you... To harass me sexually.
Harass?
You... No, this is getting out of hand. Okay, you know what? I will just pretend this never happened, okay? You just take your slutty self out. Yes, I'm going to call that now.
You know.
Can you? And I'm talking and you're still drawing yourself close. Are you?
It was actually His Majesty who asked me to come and spend the night with you.
Okay.
And here I am to make my baby so happy.
No, I'm gonna hurt you. Now I get it. You know what's gonna happen? No, you have a rest, okay? You have a sleep. I'm going to leave the room for you so you can get the Majesty to come and see you. Probably get you a guard to sleep with you. You slut.
Where are you going to, baby?
You're stupid. Open the door.
Come to bed. Come to
Dad.
baby.
Father! Father, your plans ain't working. They aren't working. Could you please open the door? You fat. You know what? You Jesus Christ. Father, could you please open the door? Can you stop? Stop. Open the door. I'm just going to hurt her here. I promise you I'm going to hurt her. And your plans are not working. It did not work. Father!
You're making noise.
Shut the fuck up!
The maids can hear you.
So you don't want to leave my room, or can you just do that as well? It's not late, can you?
What are you saying? His Majesty asked me to spend the night here. And you're asking me to disobey him? I can't disobey His Majesty, I'm sorry.
Do you get that you're a woman, like you're a lady? No, aren't you ashamed of yourself? Like, really, like, you don't feel you should be there, a man walk up to you. I should be doing this, not you. No integrity, nothing. You don't even have...
Baby, stop blabbing. Come on. Be a man for once. Be a man. Come to bed, come to baby. Come to me, come to mama. Let me feed you. Can't you see all these things? I'm giving it to you and you're doing what? Stop it. Just come over here.
Do you think you know me? Do you think even my dad knows me too well? You don't know shit about me. You know fucking shit. Nothing. You're just a desperate girl who has no integrity, who has no respect or regards for herself or her body. You're so disgusting.
Come to bed. Come.
So you won't leave, right?
I will not. Come to bed. Let me make you feel
You're
like
so
a man.
cheap, man.
Leave English alone and come to bed. Come to baby. Come to me, baby. Come
I
to
would rather sleep with a dog than sleep with you.
Oh, God.
Right, sir, eh? Try.
Is this kind of food that they used to sing? Oh, yeah, that's your phone.
Hey, whoa.
Oh, Mama. What's wrong with that one? Why is she shaking?
I don't know. Maybe she wants to go and join her dead parents. Let her even die, let me rest.
Ha! Mama, no. She's not going anywhere. If she dies, who will sell our oranges?
So I will stop her from dying because I want her to hawk my oranges. Oh, check it.
Mama, Naya is not dying. Because me, I will not hawk orange.
She won't even die. So what are you saying? Who knows? Maybe she's pregnant, Seth.
It's true. Maybe she's pregnant too.
Okay.
See the way she's shaking.
Hey! Yeah? I don't know what you're doing there. Stop pretending, Stop pretending that you're sick. Eh? I don't know what you're doing. See, if my bag of oranges arrives, you will start hawking, So you better rest as you want. If he arrives, you will start hawking. So squiggy now, in a shake. Itching one.
Mama, stop saying this death. He's not dying now.
Yeah, it's a run. You just to spend again.
Sorry.
Oh, I'm not going to do the brand of ta.
Remember
to do
ha.
Thank you.
Nigerian. Yeah, where did you bring her from? From the local village, you said?
That is very, very fine.
Thank you.
It's very fine.
Sorry, drink water.
Easy.
that thing is in my chest. You want to come out?
Sorry. Don't bring it out, please.
No, don't bring it out.
Since I need more fufu, and this one will not be enough.
Wait, you eat more fufu on top of this one?
Me, I see me like 8 to finish 10. 10 fufu. If I sit down like this, I finish 10 fufu. But if people don't have no problem, I'm managing it now. I will manage it.
We have more fufu.
My brother, we don't have fufu in this house. Besides, all the fufu sellers are closed in this area. And when they are all closed.
What is your problem? Are you the one eating the fufu or you are the one bringing it?
No, just take it easy. Small. Sorry. Just manage this one. Manage us.
They should give me all.
Jesus Christ. What did you do now?
It's just small mess that I mess now. It's natural, I just mess small mess.
Ejike, this girl is disqualified. I don't want again. Please, I don't want. Yana.
Madam, stand up. You're going.
Getting one side of the natural.
Which kind of fungus is this one? Madam, stand up.
I said local, but not this kind of local now.
I thought you said the original local.
Nah, look at all. Nah, please stand up. You're talking like ancestor and you're eating. Stand up and get back of here.
You can't go on Please.
Madam, it's actually for me.
Okay, madam, please come. Take this out of this. Which one can?
So you say your name is what?
Nkechi.
Nkechi.
Yes.
I hope Ejike has told you what I want from you.
Exactly. Marriage.
Marry. Contract marriage. Not Mali or Kenya. Biguba.
No problem. See, I'm a very, very good girl. I'm taking good care of you. Ask everybody in the village of Mbo. I'm a very... How can I marry you and not take care of you now? Check it out. Fine man. Oh my God.
Sorry, Nkechi. Just in case he has not explained to you very well, what you came here for is not a proper marriage. We are supposed to go into a contract. And that contract, there are no strings attached. We are not actually a couple, but we are going to pretend like we are a couple.
My prince, please relax your mind. Let me educate this one. It seems this very one is even worse than the previous one. What he's saying is that you are going to act like his wife. No feelings attached. No sleeping on bed together, no touching body, no sex. Just act like his wife, and at the end of everything, they will pay you, you will go back. I explained everything to you in the village. Now, why are you acting like this?
Ejike. No sexing.
No sex now?
No touching.
Touch who then?
How can I marry this fine man and I'm not touching him and do things? Ejike, no now. I like it. I wanted it when you told me to 36 degree round.
Which 36 degree? In which house? What is the problem? I explained everything in the village. You are here telling me they will turn you to 36 degree. Which stupid 36 degree?
I cannot do in that one now. Look at me, man.
You need to understand that what we really want you for, we will pay you for it. Maybe he didn't tell you. We are going to give you money. We will pay you handsomely if you do your work very well.
Just look at you. If you put yourself in my shoes, how can I marry a fine man like you like this and you're not touching me? Do me 36 degree rounds now.
Yeah. It seems you had a sex conference. What was it? Which one is the 36 degree one?
I cannot marry him and not do me 36 degree round now.
Our village is very far.
You need to be going, I beg.
Better I go.
I beg, be going, I beg. They go. No degree done, I beg.
See problem. This one has been horny since, so just problem, wahala. This one came for sex. No. I think I have to look for this girl myself. I'll look for the person I want myself. That's what I'm going to do.
Hello? You loser. Are you surprised? Oh, newsflash. I spent the whole night with my prince. Get lost, loser.
Oh my God! Oh my God! She picked his call. She picked his call. That she devil picked his call. Switched off. Switched off. No. 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 No.
My love, what did your king say about the letter?
Oh, that one. Then according to my father, the king tore the letter completely.
The king rejected the letter. He said he wants to be focused on taking the King of Kings.
Be focused on taking the title of King of Kings?
Yes.
Oh, that one is more important. To him. That means we shall leave this village.
No.
Yes.
We are the children of Onous. We cannot elope. No.
We are not eloping. Look, I've thought about this. Alright? I just want us to go to somewhere nice. I mean, if they refuse to listen to the youths, and of course, as the youth leader of my own community, and I even added more effort as the youth leader of my own community, but nothing changed. How then do you think they will ever change their minds?
My love, please. I beg of you. Let's just hope and pray for a better result. Let's just wait, please.
I know this is what you're going to say.
Please.
I know.
Please.
It's fine. Come here.
Your Majesty, you know whose daughter and some youth of this land are disobeying your decree.
Quiet! Will you keep quiet? Ah!
Ichie, I know my daughter very well. She cannot disobey. No way. I am her father. I stand strong on this new decree.
Ichie, are you not aware that your daughter is saying the son of the Onowu of Udemba Kingdom? Are you not aware?
Ichie, so if you see my daughter going to that place, instead of you coming to tell me so that I will deal with her. So you go and tell His Majesty.
No. Enough of this. I want to see your daughter immediately here in the palace.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Ichiamadi.
Your Majesty.
As the security officer of the kingdom, I want you to liaise with the palace guards to arrest everyone that disobeyed my decree.
Igwe.
I cannot make a decree and people begin to disobey.
My king, what you're doing is wrong. What you're doing is bad. This is not an autocratic rule, for heaven's sake. Why not let your subjects be? Let them be, for heaven's sake. If you want to war, you war with Igbo's Rumba and not with your people. Not taking decisions that affect your subject negatively. This is bad, for heaven's sake.
You're talking jargon. In fact, you're talking nonsense.
My lord, all I'm saying is you should let your subjects be. Let them be.
Then go and tell Ozurumba to let my title be.
My lord, you've bagged a lot of titles in the past. You've bagged a whole lot of titles in the past. Why are you insisting on this one that is affecting your subjects negatively? The youths will take a different dimension with this, and it would not favor you. It would not favor us.
You better leave my presence. When Ozurumba take $500 million project, and did anyone say anything? No, did anyone say anything? And I want to let you know that that title remains mine. For the past 2 decades, I've been chasing that title and nothing happens until I get that title. Is that clear?
My lord, your son isn't married. And he's standing his ground on not marrying Princess Flora. So, what's your plan?
Go check his room. He's having a good time with Flora.
That's not true. That's impossible.
How do you know except to go there?
My son can't do such thing. I know my son more than you do. I know what my son can do.
You leave my room. Oh, thank God Mom is here. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Mom, please can you tell Flora to leave my room now?
Well, your dad said you both are getting along well. And I think I can see that.
No, you didn't say that, Mom. No. Getting along with Flora? No. She came here last night, overnight. She sneaked into my room and she was touching me like a snake. She was trying to harass me sexually all night. Nothing more. And I didn't even have a sleep. I didn't even know when I fell asleep because she was busy doing like a snake. She was just acting like a snake.
Stop it. Why are you lying?
See what I'm talking about? Yeah.
Your Majesty, don't mind him. Actually, you know, we had a nice rest last night.
Son?
No, son, Mom, no way. I only had a nightmare, not to sleep or anything with you. No way, there's no one gonna do that. I've never really kissed her. I would never even think of doing that. No, never. No, Mom, what's the look for? No, you don't trust me. No way, there's no way I'm gonna do something with. Are you thinking something? She didn't let me sleep, Mom. I was just having a nightmare, Mom. I was just having nightmares, Mom. There were ladies chasing, mad ladies actually, chasing me in my dreams. That was the only thing that I could say, or I can say, I had at night. Mom, you're not saying anything. Can you stop? Okay, you're not saying anything, it's okay. Where's my phone? I need to call my dad. I had enough. And that is, well, get the fuck out of my way. Yeah, Dad. No, good morning, Dad, but there's nothing good about the morning anyways. Mom came over here and she knows what's going on. Could you tell Flora to leave? Because I'm getting my tickets, son. I'll be returning back to the States and I wouldn't be returning back. And I'm really tired of the whole dramas you have brought in my life. And this is not what I expected. I came all the way to see you and Mom to have a time. I had a good plans and you guys have jeopardized my plan, Dad. You are not acting like a dad. No, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that, Dad. Don't tell me that. You are acting selfish. And you're not saying anything, Mom. You're not saying anything. Can you leave and you're walking at me?
Oh, my, oh, Your Majesty, can you see how he's profoundly me? My God, after everything you did to me, this is what you're doing.
I've never seen such a desperate woman. She said you laid her.
You still saying that?
She said so.
No, you didn't hear what I said to you. I didn't live with her. I didn't have anything to do with her. She came with me. She was trying to rob me. She tried to pull my pants off. And you saying I had something to do. I never even kissed her. Yeah, Mom, I was here. She came over and I just saw someone. I was actually surprised in that she was rubbing my body like a snake and she tried to pull my pants off. Yeah. Yeah, she tried to pull my pants off. She was doing like this, like a snake, like this, like this. I was like, what the fuck is this? She was so desperate. She said, Mom, I don't understand. You're looking at me like you don't trust me or you don't believe me, right? You're not doing that right, Mom. No way. I did nothing, Mom. No, I can't do with that. She's so desperate and dead. I can't do that. She irritates me, Mom. It's okay.
Do you want more oranges?
I think I'll need more, but not now. Let me finish with this one. The oranges are really, really nice. Very tasty.
Thank you very much, sir.
Mm. My name is Dr. Maxwell Ugunna Ozurumba. I would like to have some time with you.
All right, sir.
Well, when I say I want to have some time with you, it means I want to have a discussion with you, but you know we cannot do it here. It's not conducive at all. I would like us to go somewhere very calm so we can talk.
Sir, you know I don't know you too well. Moreover, I'm still selling my oranges. I have to finish selling them. If not, my mother will kill me.
Yeah, I know you don't know me very well. But you know what? I'm a very good customer of yours, you know. A very good one at that. You might not know me, but trust me, I patronize you all the time. Besides, you don't have to bother, I'll buy all your oranges.
Huh? Sorry. You mean you want to buy all the oranges?
Yeah. Tell me how much.
Hold on, sir. Sir, the one in the tray is 2,300.
Okay.
But I have some at the backyard. Everything is 5,000, sir.
5,000 naira.
Yes.
This is 20,000 naira.
Sir, it's like you did not hear me before. I said 5,000. 5,000. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5,000.
I heard you correctly. And I'm offering you 20,000 naira. For your time.
Thank you very much, sir.
Is it complete?
Yes, sir.
So we can go now?
Yes, sir.
Hello? My prince. Can you hear me now? Okay. I can hear you. You left the office? Yes, I am calling because there is this vital information I need to tell you. Yes, your father, His Royal Majesty, sent a guard to be monitoring you. Yes, I just got that information from my girlfriend, isn't it? Yes, the palace maid who served your father wine. Yes, look. The palace guard name is Mbara. Please, I am calling you for you to step up your game. Do not mess up. Okay, please, be very, very careful. Okay?
Yes, I heard you right. No problem, okay? Let me call you back later. I'll try you now. Alright, bye-bye.
Sorry, brother. But where are we going?
We're going to the boutique.
Yeah. Boutique?
I want you to get a perfect makeover so that you can look very good. Don't get me wrong. It's not like you don't look very good. You look absolutely gorgeous. But a few touch here or there will make you feel really good about yourself. You don't mind, right?
It's just
you
that
don't have to come. Just relax. Alright? I'm not biting you, am I? I just want you to be happy. I want you to feel good. So you're going to relax, okay?
Okay. Hey, walk down. Sorry. It's the bike, it was very close.
It was very close. That's right.
Sorry. Thank you, sir.
No problem. You are very, very caring. I can tell.
Young lady.
Your Majesty.
Did you disobey my orders?
Your Majesty, please let me handle this.
No, stop that.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Now, answer my question. Did you try to elope with your lover from Udemba Kingdom?
Your Majesty, I know Amara, my daughter. She can't do such a thing. I know her very well. Eh?
Yes, Papa. I am in love. I am madly or reasonably in love with Okenna, the son of Onowu of Udemba Kingdom. Why would your decree doubt our affair, Your Majesty? Our freedom, our peaceful coexistence with the people of Udemba land. Why? Elders of our land, are you all sleeping? Papa, tell me, what are you doing? Is this how you want to rule the land? Tell me, this is how you want to rule the land? Subject us to nothing but to hate and fight our own brothers.
to not just cost. Your Majesty, with due respect, I take a stand. I will not obey your decree, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, please don't listen to her. She's just a baby. She don't know anything.
No. You're telling me that? She's just a child, we all know that. She doesn't know anything. In fact, when last did she stop sucking the breast of her mother? She's a little girl. A little girl in love. One thing I love about her, I love her boldness. Her strong and formidable gut to express her feelings as hard and clear as she could express it. I love that. Guards.
Yes, Your Highness.
Chain this man.
Your Majesty, kill me. Lock me up. I'll rather die loving Okena. I will never stop loving Okena. Kill me.
In the darkest of my cell and bring the keys to me. Do not give her any food. No water. She should be enough with some loaves of love.
Your Highness, please. Amara.
Ichamadi, you will see what you have done to yourself. You will see.
Come. Come. It's beautiful.
It's too open.
No, it's not open. This is the trending style.
Hi. I told her to give me wrapper to tie inside. She gave me pants.
This
and
is
it's
very
small.
good. You will like it. Come. Yeah? Give me your hand. Turn around.
Hi. No.
Are you sure? Come on.
No.
Oh, you look very, very beautiful. Trust me.
Are you sure?
I'm very, very sure.
I like it too. I like this one.
Look, I got you something else.
Where did you buy it? Now.
Yeah.
Hi! Human head.
No, human hair.
Okay. My sister used to wear it for ma. She has plenty.
I really?
Yes. I like it.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay, let me try it. So this is to us pretending that we're lovers, and you have to do this very well, you know, right? First of all, take a sip, someone is watching us.
Smile. Touch my ear. Act like you love me. He's really watching. Did you have some? Jealousy will kill him.
They're in love. My son is in love. Now, bro, go to my son. Tell him that I want to see him in the palace. Dinner time, precisely. Now, Ghost, I will do as you have commanded. Rest. I am impressed. Well, you snap about it. This is good. Exactly what I wanted. My son is in love. Finally, he has proven that he is my son.
Mama, tell me where you went to and who was that man? Who was that man that you were in his car?
They will send you to market. You will be busy sleeping around.
Hey, Ifeoma.
From Nanya.